Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'm trying to keep these job leads as helpful as I can for you by making these videos short, sweet, and to the point, getting straight to the job lead. I do try to do a little bit of my own research before sharing any companies to try to weed out scams, but please make sure you're doing your own research. But with that being said, if you have any suggestions on how I can make these videos more helpful to you, please let me know down in the comments below. But today's job lead is from the company Citizen. Now, Citizen is a safety app company. They only have 44 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they have a 3.0 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rate. But they are looking for a premium agent. Now, this is remote work from home for the United States only. It does say that they're a personal safety app in the United States with the mission to make the world a safer place. The app provides 911 alerts so people can use their phones to keep themselves and the people and places that they love safe. But they are basically looking for somebody to monitor this app. They're looking for trained public safety professionals who are equipped to help when a user feels they might need it or they might be in trouble. So what you're basically going to be doing is monitoring all areas of the app and platform where user-generated content can be published or publicly viewed, ensuring that it meets the company's guidelines and standards. You're also going to be communicating with the users of this app who have indicated that they're in need of immediate assistance. You'll do that either through video call or texting type chat. You'll triage the level of severity of each video call or chat to make appropriate assessments and next steps that need to be taken. You'll offer support and guidance in real time to any user who feels unsafe, and if you make the decision that a situation is heightened importance, you should call or escalate the call to 911. So you're going to be making real-time judgment calls that directly impact a person's personal safety. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, but they are looking for people who have experience in the public safety realm. So someone who has worked previously as a first responder like EMT, a medical professional, or in a public safety role like a past cop or something like that in a police force, things like that. Somebody who has experience handling a high call volume or experience screening a large amount of content. Someone who has the ability to exercise great judgment skills, especially when it comes to those sensitive matters. Someone who can multitask and, of course, have a great communication skills. So this might even be great for somebody who's been in the military before, but now you want to work from home. Now, the hourly pay for this position is anywhere from $27 an hour all the way up to $34 an hour. You do get a standard benefit package on top of that that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, if you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful, leave that down below as well. And please remember that sharing is always caring. If you found this job lead helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.